Hello guys, how are you? Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Today I will discuss with you about digital decentralized thriller. Crypto e-wallets, they are providing smart banking and trading made easier. Join the community and become part of disruptive payment solution. As you can see, pre-sale is ongoing. 3 days and 8 hours left. You can buy DGTM token from the platform. The main objectives of digital are using the latest blockchain technology. We are building a digital cryptocurrency for everyone. The currency that is designed to serve as a payment token for all transactions in the ecosystem. It is our goal to ensure through digital that anyone in the world has access to an affordable global currency, all because we strongly believe in the future development of the crypto market as a viable alternative to the traditional financial system, regardless of economical, demographical, or political sector. You can buy a digital token. As you can see, the pre-sale page, you can buy their token. As you can see, pre-sale is ongoing. Earn a little bonus. You can invite someone to contribute and get 5% of their contribution as a bonus. It is all on us. In order to claim your referral bonus, you also have to contribute to one of the pre-sale stage. You can check your contribution in the first pre-sale stage. The person has to use their link in the browser, for example Trust Wallet or MetaMask on the mobile or Google desktop, to access the pre-sale page. Connect your wallet by clicking the button below and referral link will be generated. Copy the referral link and send to the person you would like to invite. As you can see, the price of DTM token is 1 BNB equal to 1600. Minimum contribution is 0.2 BNB. Maximum contribution is 50 BNB. The referring from phase pre-sale 1 will not work for pre-sale 2. You have to generate the link again for this page. How to buy token? If you are using MetaMask, you can buy token. Have your wallet already with Binance Smart Chain? You should convert your MetaMask into your Binance Smart Chain. After that, go to MetaMask and press the on browser. On the top right down, your digital.com/presale. Press buy digital and choose one from the list. Press contribute and write the amount you wish to spend and press confirm. If you are using Trust Wallet, have your wallet ready with Binance Smart Chain, go to Trust Wallet and press on dabs. Access our URL digital.com/presale from the top. On the top of the right side, change from Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain. Press buy digital and choose one from the list. Press contribute and write an amount you wish to spend and press confirm. You can ask any question about digital, what is digital and how is the different from project. Simple and affordable financial services to user. Any digital integrates a diverse series of products into the single platform. As you can see, product features: crypto exchanges platform accessible to regulated wallet that provides transparency and funds protection. Digital has cryptocurrency for everyday transaction payment on receipt. Built using latest blockchain technology, digital wallet allow the flow of crypto and fiat coins. Digital enable easy crypto fiat transaction which are seamless and quick payment secure is granted by checking procedures superior to those used by banks. Granted access to the store fund through digital exchange, open banking, and digital wallet. You can check out their presentation video, and you can check out their tokenomic. Token trigger is DTM, Binance Smart Chain, and smart contract 100 supply. Available is 50 million. Pre-sale stage 1 was gone, and pre-sale stage 2 is will be end after 3 days as on November 2021. So thanks for watching my video.